Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another vlog. I'm losing my voice too, but yeah, I'm vlogging today. I've been wanting to like vlog for a few days now, but I just forgot and I was so busy so like I didn't really have time to vlog. So today it is Saturday, May 1st, and I just wanted to vlog and show you guys what I'm doing today. I haven't done schoolwork yesterday, so I'm definitely gonna get some work done today. And I have a mess in my room currently because nothing fits in my drawers or my armoires. I have too much clothes, so I'm gonna have to clean up my armoire and see what I need to get rid of. And yeah, I already ate breakfast. I already did my skincare, which I can't even find my clindamycin anywhere. I don't even know what's going on anymore, but yeah. So I'm gonna try to reorganize my dressers and armoire. I'm gonna do some schoolwork. I'm also gonna finish my nails because I was doing a little French tip, and I need to like put on a clear coat because I didn't want to do it last night because I did it really late last night. So today we're staying in pajamas. I chose these really cute ones. My mom actually found them at the thrift store, so they're Ralph Lauren. I think they're vintage, I'm not really sure, but yeah, they're like little capri pants. And I'm just gonna be lounging in this all day because I like wearing cute pajamas. I have like a little, I have like a full wardrobe full of cute pajamas. I just never really show them because I never iron them, and they look gross after that. So yeah, I've been trying to iron my clothes too. But yeah, really cute pajama set. That's the current mess I have in the background. Okay. I'm just gonna tie my hair because I'm not doing my hair today. I'm not doing anything special today. But oh, also I ordered I ordered these Zara sandals. I'm not gonna show them yet because if they don't fit again, I'm gonna have to get like another pair, see what size fits me the best. So I ordered size 6. I have really small feet. I'm usually like a size 6, and they did not fit at all. They were so big. So I ordered a size 5 because I did have 5.5. I'm praying that they fit exactly and not too small. This is my second time purchasing them, by the way, and I have to go pick them up at the store. And I'm gonna see. I'm praying that they fit me now because I want to wear them so badly. I did take out some sweaters and some pants out of my armoire. That's my armoire, the wooden one, and they messed up my nails too, so I'm gonna have to like redo them a little bit. I'm gonna have to like touch them up, and I'm gonna go put the clear coat on so that they don't get chipped again. Also, my skin is clearing up a bit. I keep picking at it because I have really bad anxiety, but yeah. Back, and I'm taking a break from cleaning out my closet because I have a huge mess, even bigger than what it was right now. I'm like collecting a few things to sell because I'm planning on getting rid of a few pieces of clothing. What I mean, if you guys want to check out what I sell, I have a Depop. I just sell things that like I feel like are more trendy, I guess. So if you guys want to go check it out, I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. I have a few things for sale right now. I don't have a lot, but yeah, they're just things that don't fit me, I don't wear anymore, or I never wore. This is the current situation. That's the mess I have right now. Okay, so I'm taking a Starbucks break now. I got a strawberry acai refresher with no lemonade because I really hate lemonade in this stuff. I reorganized all my pajamas. I put on a white robe. It's vintage Oscar de la Renta. I love it. It's so soft. I found old robes that I literally have been looking for a while, and I finally found them. Like one of my vintage 60s blue robe. It's actually from CR's. Yeah, I'm almost done, and I need to redo my nails because they chipped so badly. Like part of the nails don't even have nail polish anymore. So I'm gonna have to redo the French tip. I'm watching this Chanel fashion show right now. I think like the 2016 ones are the cruise I think the cruise fashion show is the best one for me, or the new one that they walked in front of the Chanel sign that looks like the Hollywood sign. I also like the 2014 supermarket fashion show. That was really good too. Cannot work with this crusty stuff, but yeah. Okay, so I already did like a little touch up on the left hand. I'm using this white, it's called HD, and then I'm using the top coat, which is just the super coat, the top coat, whatever it's called that, and then I just clean up with the little cleanup brush that they give you in a set, and then it comes with the little acetone, the acetone-free acetone, or acetone-free nail polish remover. So this is the next day. Today is May 2nd. I just finished taking a few quizzes for 3 of my classes, so I'm just gonna go eat soon, and I'm gonna play Minecraft because I haven't played Minecraft in a while. And yeah, I'm just wearing sweats today. I'm wearing my pink LA hoodie I got at Santa Monica, and then I'm wearing my PacSun green sweatpants. Here's a better view. Pink hoodie, and then my like sage green sweatpants. And guess what? My dog got paint all over himself, and I had to bathe him, and I'm all wet. So I'm gonna have to take a shower because I'm literally like soaking wet. Yeah, so I wore cute sweats today for no reason. So I just took a shower. My skin is breaking out a lot. Excuse my dog, he's panting right now because the fire alarms are going off because we're changing the batteries, I think. I'm not even sure what they're doing upstairs. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my skincare. I'm gonna change into pajamas, and yeah. I barely own any white towels, so it's pretty surprising to like see myself in a white towel. Like my hair wrapped in a white towel. I already put a hair mask in, I already washed it out. So pajamas are on, and I'm doing skincare. I haven't combed my hair yet. By the way, I'm using the Indeed Labs. Yeah, Indeed Labs hydration booster. You guys are currently balancing on my Glossier moisturizer. I finally bought more because I ran out of it a while ago, and I was using a CeraVe moisturizer, which I ran out a few days ago. So yeah, that's like my new go-to again. I love that moisturizer. It's thick, so you don't need a lot. I'm gonna go get my hair products right now and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the moisturizer. Oh, why isn't it? Okay. Moisturizer, it's the priming moisturizing. This is the priming moisturizer rich. There is the thinner consistency kind of moisturizer, which I first bought that one a while ago, like 3 years ago, 4 years ago actually. But I definitely prefer this one. Packaging is adorable, and sometimes I use these for like my brooches or my pins and all that. I was gonna wear a nightgown, but I'm just gonna wear my pajamas again. So for hair products, I'm using this Jisoo, right? Jisoo honey infused hair oil. They gifted this to me a while ago. I love it, but I can't use it with a pump anymore because I have way too little. I have another bottle, but I'm not gonna use it yet. Come on. So I just have to get it like this. I already did a hair mask, if you guys forgot. So I'm just gonna put it on my ends. I do this before like combing my hair because now that like I don't know, it's just random. I just decided to like spread out the product more evenly by combing it after I put in the product. I also need a haircut because my hair is so dry. I'm shedding even more than what I usually do. Tomorrow I will be picking up my Zara sandals. Finally, I'm praying that they fit me because I really want to wear them already. So apply my acne medication later because the sun is still out and I don't want to have like a chemical reaction or an allergic reaction. I don't know what the term would fit for this, like what I'm talking about. So yeah, I sound really clueless right now. Hello guys, so I just got out of the shower. I'm using a hair mask and a face mask. Sorry this vlog is all over the place. I went to pick up my Zara sandals this morning, and they fit perfectly. But it turns out I'm a size 5 in Zara shoes, and I can't wait to use them when the weather's good, because it's been raining the last couple of days, and it's gonna continue to rain, and I'm really aggravated. And also I got some hair products for my dog, the Burt's Bees detangling spray and a double-sided brush. So we already brushed his hair. Another thing, I went thrifting earlier today, like an hour ago probably, and I found the cutest bra ever. I wish it fit me, but it doesn't. It's a Victoria's Secret red bra. I think I'm gonna list it on my Depop. It's really cute. It's red velvet and it has little bows on it. Like, look at that. It's really cute. It's a 36D and I'm smaller than that, so I'm gonna have to sell it. I'm gonna have to get rid of it. morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, May 4th. It's 8:40 a.m. Is it focusing? Okay, it's 8:40 a.m. I haven't even eaten breakfast yet, but I'm doing school. My mom hasn't even woken up yet. I'm gonna order Uber Eats soon. I think I'm gonna order French toast and oat milk latte. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue to do school. I just ate lunch and I have my outfit of the day. I took a shower earlier and I'm finally wearing my Zara sandals. So I'm wearing my Glossier necklace that I got for Christmas, or before Christmas if you watch my TikTok. So it's that gold necklace. It's a G. And I'm wearing this white Brandy Melville t-shirt. I got it in Soho, and then I got these Levi's boy jeans. It's like so cute. I have like a Brandy Melville version as well, like the beige ones. And then finally, I'm wearing my Zara sandals, and I think I'm gonna go take photos outside. But I might do my makeup first, cause my skin, I'm okay with taking photos without makeup on, but I just feel better when I have makeup on. You know, I feel better when I look better. On TikTok, I film without makeup on, so I don't really care.